What is this? What is this?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central, Pennsylvania County and Central Virginia.
What is this?
At 3:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Pennsylvania, Oregon, 14 miles northeast of Mineral, and is nearly stationary. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts to quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall.
Oh my gosh.
Damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees.
Really, Sterling?
Outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. For your protection, to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia. The National Weather
What was that?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Rockingham County in Western Virginia, Western County in Western Virginia, the southwestern city of Harrisonburg in Western Virginia, until 9:30 p.m.
Oh my gosh!
At 8:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bridgewater or near Harrisonburg, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This danger may have roads, as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by
Something's happening.
unsecured light objects may become
Projectiles.
Locations and pathways:
Ah!
Harrisonburg, Bridgewater, Groves, Willis Cave, Dayton, Mount Crawford, Pleasant Valley, Stanton Airport, and Port Republic. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia. The National Weather Service
Can you believe almost pretty much everything went off?
for South Central Rockingham County in Western Virginia, northeastern Augusta.
And there goes the stage. Look what I got here. Hello, hello. What is this?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern
Albemarle County!
Western Virginia, West Central Orange County and Central Virginia, Northern Albemarle County and Central Virginia, Greene County in Central Virginia, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Madison to near Union to 8 miles east of Cumra, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts.
Wow. It's a Culpeper warning! Culpeper!
In Northern Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Madison, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source: become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible.
Boys, this is a cold pepper warning.
Locations impacted include Madison, Bellwood, Glasgow, Oak Park, Haywood, Pratt, Rochelle, Aurora, Banco,
Rochelle?
Graves Mill, Twyman Mill, Taylor, Locust Dale, and Wildstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather,
Why are they putting that message in there?
we will send a report to the National Weather Service Office.
It's not that severe.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through
Well, guess what? They're starting to put in that message. The to report severe weather message. I don't know why. Are they just trying to be like Sterling's trying to be like Blacksburg and Wakefield? Naughty, 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 naughty. No. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. It is for Cumberland.
Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Wait, Cumberland.
Northeastern Cumberland County in central Virginia. Southeastern Savannah
Oh my gosh, it's headed towards me.
at 7:14 p.m. A severe
Oh my gosh.
located near Lakeside Village, Oregon,
This shouldn't be happening.
at 15 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and any size hail.
And I'm just trying to eat. So this better not be a repeat of last time.
Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Old Union, Cartersville, Columbia, Lakeside Village, Duncan,
You want to see, guys, you want to see today's highs? It got to 92.
Cohasset, Lakeville, Green Siding,
And today's high humidity was 91.
for your protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh boy, I bet that felt good.
And damaging winds and continuous clouds and
93.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Pager.
Do not drive your
Put this right here.
vehicle through flooded roadways. By calling
757. 89.
2415, listening to the National Weather Service Wakefield Face
Why though?
using Twitter and Wakefield.
Why do I have awful signal?
Now for the official National Weather Service.
Well, okay.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Dillon, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dillon, Shepherds, and Gold Hill. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
Sorry, guys.
Highs around 90.
Severe thunderstorm warning, guys. My county.
EAS in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cumberland County in central Virginia, central Prince Edward County in central Virginia
That's me.
until 9 p.m. At 8:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Virginia EAS.
It's coming from there.
Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cumberland, Farmville, Longwood University, Hampton Sydney, Guinea Hills, Prospect, Range Tavern, Trans Mill, Tuggle, Allens Mill, McRae, Hawk, Kingsville, Elam, Reeds, Bear Creek Lake State Park, Stoddard, and Woodrum. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
Yes.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm
Oh my
warning
gosh.
for southeastern Buckingham County
Yeah,
and
we
central
know.
Virginia until 9:30 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Guinea Mills, Oregon, 7 miles south of Dillwyn, moving southwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shepherds. Prepare immediately for large hail and damage
We're getting
events.
like big lightning strikes here,
For your
guys.
safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Now for the official
Guys, we need like
National Weather
large
Service
lightning strikes